I'm here with Daniel and Mehdi, who are two visitors today from CMAT 2020. So Daniel, tell us about Koala Living.
We Melbourne-based company and sell furniture Australian-wide, mid to luxury furniture. So we are building a new distribution center in Victoria, and I'm here to basically see what technology is available that we can use to optimize our operation in Victoria. Yeah.
Fantastic. And yourself, Mehdi, what about your company? That's Howard Storage World.
Yeah, so we are House Storage World. We have shops all over Australia, okay, and we are based in Sydney. Our head office is in Sydney. So obviously it's retail industry, and we have organizing solutions, kitchen, laundry, and everything about organizing. That's our main product.
Wonderful. And how have you found CMAT so far?
It's pretty cool. My role in the business is project manager, and I also oversee the operations in our warehouses. So we came here today to see all the new technology that there is to be seen, and maybe we can utilize some of the semi-automated or fully automated solutions that all these great companies are offering. And it's good to know what's happening out there and apply whatever we can in our organization to help, improve the efficiency.
Wonderful. Thanks, Mehdi. And Daniel, you're perfectly placed because, as you said, you're setting up a new shed, a new distribution center. Yep. So, you'd be an ideal customer for so many of these companies to talk to.
Yeah, we actually have few partners already here that we do business with them. We had Dexian, they designed our racking system. We had Mima from China that they provided few machineries, including a man-up tire trucks. We work with ASICS. They designed a bespoke furniture platform for us. So I'm here today, and I found a few more interesting solution and companies that hopefully, when I go back to office, I can get engaged, and then I'm sure that we will be able to do some more partnership to optimize our operation in Victoria.
Fantastic. Well, I'm glad you're both enjoying the conference. It's a huge opportunity, and I think it's bigger and better than ever here in the Sydney Dome.
Yes, that is correct. I've been in Victoria last year, and this is much bigger, much greater, with more businesses here. So it's great.
Wonderful. Great. Thanks, Mehdi.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Daniel.
Thank you.
Cheers.